Oh, you all are here. Hello everyone. So today I am here to share with you all my own hostel life experience. Okay, before sharing that, one very special thing that I wanted to share with you all, but for that you have to watch the complete video because that special thing I am going to share in the middle of the video. So please try to watch it, okay? And don't worry, this video is not going to be more than 10 minutes. Please try to watch it till end, okay? Yes. So let's come to the hostel life experience. Yes, as you all know that nowadays I'm staying in hostel, and that's the very main reason I unable to take any free sessions also, spoken English sessions, and like live sessions also, right? It's little bit tough for me to take that. So, hostel life experience that I'm going to share, like from starting onwards, like how me and my friend we struggle to find a hostel room, and like very big story that we have, that I thought that let's share with you all, that will help you to think and to explain your thoughts, your own stories also in simple and layman English language. That will help you to gain the confident and sentence structures as well, and even the new vocabs also, because when you are sharing your story during that time you might stuck in like in different sentences, right, in different words. So there what you have to do, we are very smart, Medha. We know that what we have to do. We have the Google Baba. And if we leave Google Baba also, we have the Chat GPT. AI, the very smarter application, right? You can use that. Absolutely. You can go for that to the words or sentences which you don't know, right? And with the help of that, you're able to include that all things in your conversation. So it helps in that way also, right? So I thought, let's do the same activity by yourself, Medha, and suggest to other subscribers also to do the same activity. Okay, so let's start then. Hostel life experience, right? First of all, how I joined to the hostel, why I joined to the hostel. So it's a small story. So we just recently passed out our like graduation. After that, we were just thinking to prepare some competitive exams to get the admission in the higher educations, and we done that actually. After that, like our college, they send us a message or text, very big text, that this is a kind of opportunity that it get to our college, and if you are interested, please participate in it. And like me and my friends, they all participated in that. And from 25 or 30 members, like 7 to 8 members, they just reached to this opportunity, right? And we thought, okay, it's really good, because we also did little research about it and all those, and we found that it's really good and something that really we can get from it, which is going to be helpful us in future. So what we did, we just started. We joined the training and we started taking the training. But the problem that we found is it's very far from our home, and which create lot of difficulties for us, like investing huge time during the traveling time, and like rush that disturb us, and even little bit like back pain and lot of things like tiredness, all these just create problem to us. So we decided that we really want to take this training because it's really going to helpful for us in future, so we have to do it at any cost. But we can't like lose our health as well. If we come on regular basis, if we follow this like what I can call long journey daily, it's not easy for us to revise the things, also revise the subject also, we don't get the time, and the tiredness is going to affect us. So we thought that okay, let's do something. So we started asking to all that 8 persons that please, we are planning to take a room, so you all are willing. And they said that no, actually we are unable to travel. So few of them, they dropped out from there only. And like out of 8, just left like 4 girls. What we done, we started searching for the room. Can you expect that 4 girls, 3 girls, unknown area, evening time, they can spend like what I can call searching for room evening time in unknown area. You don't know anything, and like we just started walking with full of fear that where we need to move and all those, and finally we reached the 3 to 4 rooms where we asked the cost, and it was like very high, 15,000. We were just get shocked that, huh? What is this? We are unable to pay. We decided that day that we are not going to take the room. We have to find some like hostels or something like that. So then we started searching for the hostels also, and we get the hostels, but the hostels cost was too much high. It was again like 8,000, 9,000, and like 7,000, which were we unable to afford that. So, like in last, we decided completely that we are not going to stay in hostel and even in room. But in last, we just decided, okay, now let's give one trial. And that day, I guess like 3 hours that we spent, and we started for searching for the hostels and PGs. Finally, we found one, and you'll not believe the cost of that hostel was like 6,000. When we started talking with that warden of that hostel, so actually inside we were like happy because we get 6,000 hostel. And earlier when we found, so we get like 8,000, 9,000. So it was good. But our limit was like 5,000 only that we are going to put, that we decided. So we started using our mind, that you all know that girls are very good in negotiation. Is it right or wrong, by the way? If you are a girl, so you know very well, right? Please write down in the comment. And if you're a boy, so what you are thinking? You're thinking, right? Like girls really good in negotiation. So in our case, something took place after knowing that. You'll get to know that girls are really good in negotiation or not. Okay. So what we did, so we started doing negotiation with that warden. So we said that like in 5,000, we are planning to take, and more than that we don't have amount. Also, we have students and all those. We said like emotionally things also that we tried to show it in front of her, but she is like too strong. She didn't get affected from that emotional thoughts and all those. She just stick to the 6,000 itself. So then we said, okay, like you can take 5,100, like 5,100, and she was like, no, it's not, you can go directly, she said. Then we said that like we three of them, like we did little bit guchup that we can call, like what we can call like little chit chat that we did separately, and ask to each other that what you are thinking, shall we take this? So they both said that yes, it's need, so we can. So still, like she said, okay, 5,500 that you can take, and we were like, no, we are unable to afford that also. So we are really good in negotiation. That day I get to know. So we said that not 5,500, let's come to the final one, not yours and not ours. Let's fix it to 5,300. And she was like, ah, yes, deal done. We were like surprised and like happy that, oh, first time we, we won in negotiation. We used the negotiation, girls' negotiation power over there. And we felt very happy. And in next day only, what we done, we just put all the luggages and everything into the hostel. And like you all know very well that we have a little bit fear also from hostel, like staying in hostel, ghost and all those stories and all those stuffs. So even I and my friend, they also have lot of fear from these all things. So what we done, like one of my friend, she purchased one good thing that I really wanted to share with you all, to remove, to get away from the negative energies, and she put here, she is giving to me. So this that we purchased, and we kept it, like what I can call, in this hanger like this. And this is really helping us to staying away all the negative powers and all those, and happily like we are living in hostel. But this is all the process that I shared with you all, like how we joined the hostel. Now I'll share like what things that happening in the hostels. Of course, not showing the videos, it's not possible to do that, but one day definitely I'll do. But little of the things that I wanted to share. So like food and all those, it's literally good, but all the time it's not. Uh, So this is the only one thing that we are not liking here. Like everything is good, like cleaning and all the things, rooms, everything is perfect. But like in food matter, of course you'll not get like home food right here. So it's little bit that we are facing the issue with the help of food. But yes, we are using alternative for that. Can you guess like what alternative that we are using to get the taste in our food? Ah, okay, very good answer. Yes, of course, nothing else. These pickles that we are using, and it's really adding taste to our food, whatever that we are taking. So this pickle is helping us to take the proper food. So thanks to this pickle. Okay. By the way, you all can share your hostel life experience also uh, with us in comment section, and how school and college hostels are different from the PG's hostel. That I wanted to know from your side in the comment section. Please try to write down that. Okay, so this is the things that I wanted to share. And now what's your work is, I want you to give a homework for you all. Just try to summarize the things in a same way, uh, like if you went outside, okay, or if you are willing to go in future like outside. So just try to summarize that all things and share with me on WhatsApp. Okay, I have already pinned the description link of that channel. Please try to join there. And from there, if you have this kind of experience, so you can also record video like this and share with me on Telegram or else on WhatsApp. And what I'm going to do with that, if you are willing, so what I'll do, I'll just upload that video on YouTube. Okay, so you are also going to be watched by many people. Okay, so that's all for today. We are going to connect it tomorrow with something unique and dealing the things which is really going to help you to get something new in spoken English. Okay, and again I wanted to say that if you are willing to join or like searching for the spoken English classes, uh, so you can join with us. I have already provided the link in the description box. Go check and connect from there. Bye bye, take care guys.